It's a new day in Cairo, Egypt. We're on the road again on our way to the airport. On the way here, we learned some huge news about Binance. And considering the source that published this news, we know this has been an approved message. Other news about Binance, that this isn't it. It's much bigger than what I'm about to say. But Coinbase execs are accusing Binance of front running. There's Binance wallets that purchased $900,000 worth of a token minutes before it listed and then subsequently dumping it on the market. Takes one to know one. This is the pot calling the kettle black, clearly, because 2 Coinbase employees were arrested and convicted of this crime about 6 months ago. But that's not what's happening with Binance, the big news. If you guys want to know what we're talking about, hit subscribe, hit like, and keep watching this video. We're going to get into it. This is Crypto Tips. My name is Heidi. If you want to know how we are storing our cryptos so that we are not affected by whatever happens to Binance, check out the CT Club. A link for it is down below in the video description. So let's get into it. A few days ago, about a week ago, we did a video about an exchange, BitSlago, and how the Department of Justice in the US had arrested its founder, the guy who created it, even though it was based in Hong Kong, even though the guy was Russian. They extradited him and he is under arrest in the US. And they're saying they were laundering something like $700 million. 346 million of that amount, about half, had been laundered through Binance. Now this is coming out from Fox News, from mainstream media. That's how we know exactly that this is an approved message, and it's a strong message against Binance from the US. Is CZ going to get arrested? Is he going to have to pay a huge fine that could potentially disrupt his ability to maintain his business of Binance? Is he going to pay out of pocket? Is Binance going to go down because of the hugeness of this fine, or is he going to get just arrested? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Toby and I tend to think that he's just going to get slapped with a fine because that's a really good business model for the Department of Justice, to be honest. But yeah, the fact that this is coming from mainstream media speaks far more than the actual headline itself. They're clamping down. They're trying to show how strong they are, how much control they have still over the financials. And just to hit this point home, why are they so threatened by this disruptive technology? They are the ones being disruptive. Also, the IMF is being awfully disrupted because, you guys, El Salvador paid off its debt to the IMF, $900 million, because of their investment in Bitcoin. And they're going to be launching, hopefully, the Bitcoin mining from volcanic energy. So super energy friendly way to mine Bitcoin. And they're going to continue to benefit from it. And the fact that they were able to pay off their bond through Bitcoin when everyone thought they're going to default on their loan to the IMF, and the IMF said that what they were doing was so incredibly risky that they wouldn't be able to give them any more loans. There's many countries that have a lot of debt to that World Bank, and that are seeing what El Salvador is doing, and they're going to want to do that too, and they're going to wish that they invested when El Salvador did. And that is the moral of the story of anyone who's looking for what the benefit is of investing in Bitcoin. Dollar cost averaging is an excellent strategy, and holding for long term is an excellent strategy, and El Salvador is proving that on a country level. It's huge. That's why the Department of Justice, that's why the US is sweating bullets. This is it for Crypto Tips. I'll be back with you again tomorrow. Maybe it'll be Toby this time. You guys like Toby? I like Toby. Anyway, hit like and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye.